Molly McClure again from McClure Land Unlimited. It's a little loud out here. I just wanted to do a quick follow-up video, and we had done a video on this a while back. We moved this crane, or excuse me, we had a crane out here that moved this bin on the left so we could make room for the one on the right, which is 125,000 bushels sitting right there. They did a beautiful job. It ended up working out famously. But that little guy, compared to the big guy there, that's pretty amazing. So, just wanted to do a quick follow-up video on this, and hope you had enjoyed it. Like I said, it's our grain bin move video from, I believe, a month or so ago. And now we have the finished product here, 125,000 bushel tall. So, from our understanding, it takes about a year to break these guys in and make sure that they're going to hold. So they fill them just a little bit at a time. So it's obviously not full yet. These guys aren't done harvesting out here, but I'm sure next year it'll be filled to the brim. So really want to thank Craig and his dad for letting us come out here today and check this out. And hope you enjoy it. As you can see, they're still doing some work around here. Fans are running and some of the bins are already full, so it's been a successful harvest so far. So we're gonna wrap this up. We got a couple more places to go today, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks. So they say you can take the boy off the farm, but you can't take the, take the man off the farm? I don't know what to tell you. So I got the old man out with me today, and I can't keep him out of the cornfields. We're having a pretty good time. We're up here in Dodge County, Nebraska. This is Molly McClure from McClure Land Unlimited, and I think the old man's gonna try to pick the whole field by hand, maybe. I don't know what we're gonna do here, but we'll see what he's got going on. How are we looking? Dandy? You got a dandy, you say?
Oh man, it's dry. Look how it's shelled off.
Yeah.
That is really dry.
That is dry.
Wow.
We've had a pretty dry harvest here, though, all year.
You hear it rattling?
You can hear it rattling. Yeah.
You hear it rattling?
That's rattling. Rattling corn.
Yeah, come right off the top of that.
Just cover it up. We don't need a combine. We're just going to pick it by hand.
The combine won't work hard on this.
And then, see, so now he's dropping kernels out here. And next spring, I'm going to be all mad at my tenant because there's volunteer corn in the beans.
Yeah.
That's all right. But we're up here on top of a beautiful plateau here in Dodge County, Nebraska. It's a gorgeous day. Just stopped by to see our Maple Creek farm up here, and it looks really good. Right, yeah, the creek's over off in the trees there. We had beans on this half of the field. It's 320 acres we've got up here that we manage, and
very seldom floods.
Very seldom floods. Even in 2019, when we had floods all over the state, it didn't flood here. So anyway, just came out here in the middle of the field. It's kind of nice to be able to drive this far in. We're pretty far off the road. You can see our Jeep back there, and so you don't get to do that all that often, so that's what's fun about harvest, especially on a farm this size that has beans on one half and corn on the other. Boy, you're just really excited about this.
Well, look at the kernel count on this.
Yeah, that's a good size ear. What do you got?
16.
16 round. Right there. Good dent, good dry corn. Yeah, we probably...
Look at the weight, too, of the kernels.
Those are long. That's
a long kernel. That's just good corn.
That is good corn.
Probably 275 bushels.
Ah! He's guessing by the weight in his hand. But anyway, it's just a fun day today. I hope you enjoy our videos. Again, this is Molly with McClure Land Unlimited with my dad, Dale McClure. Started this thing all up 1981. So anyway, we'll be in touch, guys. We're going to go see some more farms. Hopefully get a ride on a combine here in a little bit over in Colfax County. And yeah, it's going to be a good day. God, I gotta go this way, I guess. He said I gotta come check out some weeds. Let's go see what the old man's looking at now. What do you got?
Buttonweed seed.
Buttonweed seed. We don't like buttonweeds. Those are bad.
Right there it is. It looks like a little heart.
Yeah, it does.
Right there.
Hang on, I can't get that.
How many, can you imagine how many? Can you imagine
how many? Little buttonweed seed.
Can you imagine how many were in that plant?
No. The more you know. The old man's excited to ride in the combine, I think. He's been chomping at the bit to get out here. He's excited. There he goes. All right. I didn't think he could get up there. Heading out. Got a full load. Not sure where he's headed, but I'm not sure if he stores most of this or not. See, they got the grain cart up there so they can unload on the go too if they need to. Oh my, I might want to move. And they're off. I'm gonna hide out here because I don't want to get hit by this truck coming through. And I got to get out of the corner so I don't get harvested. It's amazing. So my dad, as I've told you before, he grew up on a farm in central Iowa, and he's been doing this his whole life. So even at 75 years old, he loves to go out and play in the cornfield, especially at harvest and ride in the combine. So I don't know where they went. They dove into the corn and I can't find them now. So you can see the guys flying down the road, hauling out corn. So it's a lot of fun. I love harvest. You really can't go wrong. Coming with the grain cart. Nice setup. Take this weather all day long. Although, I'm not gonna lie. It's a little windy, but I would rather be playing golf. But this is a close second. This is a lot of fun for us too. We really enjoy it. Oh, I think I found the hole. There, they went in there, so we're getting close. Crazy. Like I said, my dad's been doing this his whole life, and I'm blessed and grateful to still be able to take him out with me, and even though he's not really part of the company anymore, he's my greatest asset. I learn a lot from him, and every time we're out and about. So it's always a good time. And I'm grateful for having his knowledge and his expertise and his experience with me while trying to keep our business going. So, ooh, I found the hole. So there's where they went down. So they're either gonna come back this way or that way. I'm not sure which. But you gotta really respect that. It's a lot of teamwork out here, and they rely heavily on each other, and that's what I really love about farming. And you know, you think farmer is one person, and it's really not. It's the farmer, more than likely his wife and his kids, and some other relatives out there, daughter-in-laws and sister-in-laws and son-in-laws and brother-in-laws. All kinds of people end up getting involved a lot of the time. Sometimes in the spring when it comes to laying irrigation pipe, or in the fall when it comes to driving grain carts, or you know, holding down the bag if they're bagging their crop on the field. So it's a team sport out here, and let's see what we got for ears. I don't have my dad to do this for me with me here today. Right now he's in the combine. Let's see what we got. I don't know. Got you kind of close there, sorry. Trying to do this one-handed, not easy. Let's see. Oh, wow. So, yeah. It's like Christmas. Absolutely. Wow. Beautiful looking ear. Absolutely beautiful. I'm just gonna pull it off. Yeah. Here we go. I'm gonna flip this around. So here's the ear I just pulled off. That is nice straight rows up, you know, to the north and south of the ear. And what I like about that is that means it was not very stressed out during pollination. You can see it's very even. The rows are fairly straight. We had a little stress right there where you can see where the kernels got squeezed a little, but that was towards the end of the plant life too. And we were pretty hot there in August and in September even. You know, while we were and July and August. So while we were tasseling, we were pretty hot. But yeah, that is an absolutely, that's almost perfect in my mind. Oh no. I think they got lost out there. It's getting kind of lonely. There's nobody. For miles and miles and miles. I don't know what else to do. Starting to get a little worried about these guys. I've been on now for like 34 minutes and they've been gone. I don't know if they're coming back. They might have rode the combine all the way back to Omaha for all I know. We'll have to see. Should have brought a chair. I think I hear something, but I'm not 100%. Uh-oh, what do we see here? Uh-oh. That looks like my grain cart and my combine. Oh, just my grain cart. I don't see my combine yet. Boy, they filled up that grain cart though. So my dad was telling me a little trick. When you're looking at a grain cart or the hopper on a combine, the flatter it is, the pile, the drier the corn. And that looks pretty flat. So it's good to see. So the flatter that corn is in there, the drier it is. That looks pretty darn dry. So there they are. And you see them at the top of the hill there. They're coming out. And they have almost got that hopper full. If you've never been up close to a combine, it's a pretty powerful machine. Pretty impressive. You can see that hopper just filling up on top. Oh, he might be stopping because he's full. Yeah. So you can see this is going to be some good corn because he's coming up over the edges of it. He had to stop. He can't even make it all the way. You can see he couldn't even make it all the way. I'm going to hide because I don't want to get combined real bad. Massive piece of machinery. They're laughing at me. I can see them in there. Whatever. Woo! Got coffee. Somebody's gonna get it for that one. We've got a great bunch of guys working for us, and like I said, couldn't be luckier. There we go. How was the ride?
Oh, great. You're gonna go.
I've been in it.
No.
Don't let that go. All right, guys, I got a ride. How you doing, Marty?
This is good video of that.
All right.
Don't get fixed in a camp cord.
Yeah, I was like, are y'all gonna stop? Doing a little unloading on the go. That makes things move a lot quicker for you, doesn't it?
Absolutely.
So there it is. I have to calibrate any of your equipment over here.
Every couple days we do it off the scale on the grain cart, but it stays pretty accurate.
How many bushel does that hold? 1,000. I couldn't remember if it was 1,000 or 1,500.
It holds 60,000 pounds.
Okay.
This is the this is my planter monitor,
yeah,
and my harvest monitor. So this comes out of the tractor with the planter,
okay,
comes in the combine, and so I can set how I want that map to look. So I have it at 250 plus. It's the dark green. It's raining corn in here. I don't know.
10 acres per hour? That's wild. Now you'll put this in beans next year though, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So you know, this is fun, because I don't ever get to this part of the field.
No, you probably never get back.
I know. You can't get here.
Right.
Well, I mean, you could, but you're bored.
Right.
No. All the information.
So come in here, it'll show you. So we've got 10.7 acres, 247 is our average.
Wow.
Here's how many bushels we've got in pounds and our average moisture.
That's pretty good weight.
Yeah.
I don't know what number this is. This is some serious thick stalks on this plant.
So this was fungicide.
Okay.
And would have had manure last year.
Okay.
This farm had the soil probes on it, so I told you when to irrigate it.
Yeah, okay, it did. So you had the soil moisture probes in here. That's pretty neat. I want to see that someday. We get time. One of these days. Next spring.
Right.
When moisture is an issue again. Say hi, Marty. I didn't believe the height of this plant either. This one is extremely tall.
We've got a massive amount of it. The leaves are still on it. It's green. That's something you really wanted. You know that it went all the way to maturity.
Yeah.
I plant pretty much everything from 110 to 113.
Yeah. You stay out of that 115, 120 range, huh? Hey, my ride's here. My other ride. Well, thank you for taking us out today, Marty. And, really do. I just had to climb out of the combine really quick because Marty's pretty excited. He found his 1986 cab over Peterbilt that he used to drive, and he found it sitting in a junk row north of here, in a town north of here, and bought it, put a motor in it, and put the old girl back to work, and she's coming down the road, and we're pretty good looking truck. We'll go get a closer shot of it. I'm gonna catch a ride though, because that's a long hike down that hill. If I can get the old man off the phone. I gotta go down here and catch Marty's Peterbilt.
I saw it, right?
I haven't seen it. And I told him I'd get it on video. I'll jump out while you're moving. All right, here we go. The old 1986 cab over Peterbilt that Marty found. So, Marty used to drive trucks. Marty Peters, our tenant, and he had found this truck again, and she was sitting there in junk pile, and sold her out, put a motor back in her, and there she goes. She's working today, and that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Marty's first truck, so, and there's a second one, and obviously here's the third one, so it's got a fleet. We're working pretty hard today, but that's really all we got today, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you will subscribe to our channel, and I hope you'll tune in to see more of what we've got going on. We're pretty excited about what 2022 is going to bring, and again, my name's Molly McClure. I'm with McClure Land Unlimited. We're located in Omaha, Nebraska. We're licensed in Nebraska and Iowa, and we are farm management and a farm real estate brokerage. You can catch us at www.mcclurelandinc.com. You can email me at mcclurelandinc@gmail.com. You can always call me at 402-650-1816. Really appreciate y'all tuning in. Thanks again, and have a great rest of your day. Have a safe harvest. We'll talk soon.